Hello everyone, I'm Cri, welcome to my channel. Today you will learn how to make this turkey-shaped cheese ball for the holidays. It is super yummy and really easy to do. Let's get started. You will need 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, half a cup of parmesan cheese, 1/4 of a cup of sour cream. Mix everything together until well combined. Now we will need a big tomato de-seeded and diced. Remove the excess juice with a paper towel. You will also need 1 bunch of green onions chopped in small pieces. Finally, we will need 1/4 of a cup of basil finely chopped. Mix and combine before adding the spices. Add half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix in all the spices until they're well combined. Finally, add half a cup of bacon bits or chopped bacon and mix until well combined. Cover the top part of the bowl with plastic wrap and seal the sides. Chill approximately 1 hour until it acquires this texture. The mixture must be firm to the touch to easily form the cheese ball. Stretch a piece of plastic wrap over a flat surface and start pouring the mixture onto the plastic wrap. Using the plastic, bring each side outwards to start forming the ball. Use your hands to finish shaping it. Refrigerate for a minimum of 2 hours or overnight for better results. Remove the plastic wrap carefully to avoid deforming the shape of the cheese ball or leaving fingerprints on it. Spread 1 cup of bacon bits onto a flat plate. Arrange it carefully so it is fairly flat without bumps. Gently press the cheese ball against the bacon so it adheres evenly. Remove the plastic wrap and using your hands, finish covering the empty spaces with bacon bits. Place the cheese ball over a dolly to prevent it sticking to the plate. We will use 1 small slim gin package and 2 tablespoons of melted chocolate. Using the melted chocolate, glue a round chocolate to the top part of the slim gin and hold it in place for a few seconds to secure it. Refrigerate in a vertical position for 5 minutes. Once the chocolate has hardened, look for the side that sticks out the most to glue the beak to. This will make the turkey's face uniform and symmetrical. Glue a candy corn to simulate the beak. Now we will need candy eyes. Glue them right above the beak. Refrigerate in a vertical position for 5 minutes. Once everything has hardened, insert it into the cheese ball. Now we will use pretzels to simulate the turkey's tail. Place them symmetrically, keeping the same space between them. Make each side even. Serve it with Ritz crackers or any other salty cracker of your preference. And it is ready! Look how beautiful it turned out! It is perfect for a Thanksgiving or Christmas party. It will definitely impress your guests. It is simply
delicioso.
That was all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe and share it with all your friends. See you next week. Bye!